Alright, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Elevated. I wanted to share some knowledge that I just found out about if you use StreamYard and you're doing open panels. I thought more people knew about it, but even the most tech savvy people, they really didn't know. So let's get into it. So let's open up StreamYard. Now, the layout, it is what it is. It's very basic. Now, let's say you really wanted to pre-record something, right? This way you got it, on deck. You can't, especially, not that you can't. You get 50 hours worth of storage on the paid version. I have like the core plan, the $45 a month plan. And as you can see, I got 73 hours, worth of storage out of 50 hours, which means my storage is full. So let's say I wanted to do a tutorial or something like that. I can't pre-record anything right now. Now, as you go live and things like that, you could either buy more storage so you can do pre-recordings, or you could delete your live streams off of StreamYard, which does not affect you having your lives on your channel, wherever you stream it to. It just deletes it out of the StreamYard, I guess, cloud or whatever the case. But my problem is that with me doing open panels, everybody that streamed to their channel, it's gonna keep my storage locked up. So what I mean by that, you go under streams and recordings, you go to past. Now, when I first started, probably yesterday, I started deleting my live streams out of StreamYard's server. I was at over 100 hours on my storage on StreamYard. Right now I'm at 73.1, right? So to delete it, you go over here, whichever live stream you want to go to, click the three dots, and then you see it says guest destinations, view on Facebook, view on YouTube. I streamed this live stream and a few more, quite like almost all of them, to Facebook also. So go to delete, right? I could delete them from my Facebook and my YouTube's under StreamYard. Please don't get that twisted. But now everybody that was up on the panel with me that shared it to their channel, this person will need to delete the posts. This person, this person, this person, this person, this person. I ain't got no I got no say so in what people are gonna do and what they're not gonna do. I'm sure if I really reached out to everybody and said, listen, I gotta free up some storage, could you? I'm sure there would be no problem with them, right? But now let's say I went to delete it, right? I'll show you what happens. Look, delete. It deleted, and then now that stream is gone, right? But I'm still at 73.1 hours. So, what are the workarounds if I wanted to pre-record something? I could either use a different email and set up a different StreamYard account, stuff like that. Or I could buy storage. Might even be asking how am I recording this now? If my StreamYard won't allow me to pre-record anything more using OBS. So they're all workarounds to everything. I hope this video was helpful. I thought I could shed some light on something that maybe everybody didn't know. If this helped y'all, please drop me a like. Drop me a comment if you are so inclined. Everybody take care. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later on.